Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC. Thank you for checking into our YouTube channel. So today we're showing you the top-end rebuild kits for KTM, Husqvarna, and GasGas two-strokes. If the time has come for you to rebuild your top end and you want to just eliminate the guesswork and know that you're getting everything that you need to rebuild your top end, then these kits are exactly what you need. And also you notice too that looking at them, all these kits only have genuine OEM parts. Now, like I said, it comes with everything that you're gonna need. So you've got your piston, your wrist pin bearing, your piston rings, all your gaskets, all your O-rings, everything that you would need to rebuild your top end will come included with these kits. So no more having to go to the OEM diagrams and trying to find all the different part numbers that you're gonna need, because we've done that work for you, and that's what comes included with these kits. Now, there is one thing that I do wanna point out to you. This is important. So one, we have great how-to videos that show you step-by-step how to rebuild the top end on a two-stroke. So if you've never done that before and you want to learn how, you want to gain some knowledge and save yourself a lot of money by just doing it from your own house, watch those how-to videos. They're extremely detailed. We show you everything you need. We show you all the tools that you need to do the job. So refer to those. They're awesome. Also, with KTM, you'll notice, this goes for KTM, GasGas, and Husqvarna. When you're on the product page, you enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you're shopping for to ensure that you get the proper kit. But you notice that there's kits 1 and there's a kit 2. And the reason for that is that these bikes, if you look at your cylinder, you'll see either a 1 or a 2 on there. And you always want to match your cylinder number to the piston number. And that's what those 1 and that 2 represent, is the number that is on your piston. If you look at the tops of these pistons, you'll see that they all have either a 1 or a 2 on them. So if you have a 1 on your cylinder, you always want to get the number 1 kit. And same goes for the number 2. Now, if you're not quite sure, KTM, or in our how-to videos, we show you how to measure your cylinder to make sure that your cylinder is within spec. But if it's not, you either want to repair your cylinder or replace it. And again, you can refer to your service manual, because they give the tolerances and they give the specs in there to help you know what you need to do. But again, you always want to match the piston number with the number that is on your cylinder. If you do have any questions, again, you can comment below. We'll help get those answered for you, or just refer to your service manual. But if you have a KTM, Husqvarna, or GasGas doing a top-end rebuild for a two-stroke, these kits eliminate the guesswork, give you everything that you need in a one-stop shop. So if you have questions, though, leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab yours today, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. If you want to stay up to date on videos like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll always stay up to date. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.